Hello children, how are you? I think you are fine. Last period we have discussed about the first meeting as well as second meeting between Don Anselmo and John A. Sedillo. Already we'll focus on that is the second meeting. In second meeting, the Americans came with complaint to the John A. Sedillo, and so that's why John A. Sedillo sent a message to the Don Anselmo to call his office. Then the Don Anselmo came to his office and they discussed about the complaint. But the opinion of Don Anselmo was different. Once he told that he sold his land, but he did not sell his trees on the orchard. But according to legal procedure, generally we know that one who buy the land, everything on the land which was belong to the buyer. But our Don Anselmo did not know about that, and he said that all the trees on the orchard were belong to the children of Rivo and Medio. And at last he was agreed about the legal, according to the legal procedure. Already we have discussed from paragraph number 1 to paragraph number 9, we have discussed about that. And now here we concentrate on the questions answer, short questions answer. That is the share your responses. And now here we discuss about the share your responses. Question number 1, fill in the blank with a suitable word or words. Describe the land and the house sold by the old man. Old man, that is a Don Anselmo. Here the two columns are given here. The first column, before it was sold, and the second column is that after it was sold. What was the condition of house and the orchard before it was sold? And what was the condition of the house and the orchard after it was sold? Options are given here. You see A, B and C. You fill in the blanks with suitable word or words. Now we are going to describe about land and the house. What was the condition of house and the land before it was sold? A, filled of plaster. Yes, already we know that the condition of the house and the land, particularly that is a house, it was filled of plaster, means it was not a good condition. After it was sold, what was the condition of the house? Replaster. When the year American purchased the land as well as the house, yes, they came and replastered the house, and so it was a good condition now. Now we turn to the B, dash, and here after it was sold, that is plant the trees. Means before the condition of the trees, that is before it was sold, the B is that, the correct answer is that gnarled. And after it was sold, already given, pruned trees. C, torn fence. What was the condition before it was sold? That is a torn fence. After it was sold, what was the condition of the fence? The patch the fence. The correct answer is that is a patch the fence. Now we are going to the question number 2. From the list given below, already list is given below. From the list below, tick the activities with which the children of Rivo and Medio were involved. After the Americans occupied the house or purchased the house and the land sold by the Don Anselmo. Here the lists are given here. Here the first one is that pruning the trees. Second one is that renovating the house. Third one is that playing in the orchard. Fourth one is that speaking harsh words to the Americans in Spanish. Number 5, plucking flowers from the trees. Number 6, putting a fence around their play area. Number 7, laughing whenever they were spoken to. And last one is that number 8, running around the land. Now we turn to the questions. Yes, from the list given below, already discussed, yes, we read. The activities with which the children of Rio and Medio were involved. What are the activities of children of Rio and Medio on that the land, on that the orchard? Already mentioned in it. Yes, pruning the trees? No. Renovating the house? No. Playing in the orchard? Yes, it is the right one. Speaking harsh words to the American in Spanish? No. Plucking flowers from the trees? Yes. Putting fence around the play area? It is also right one. Laughing whenever they were spoken to? Yes. Running around the land? Yes. Means here it is that is a correct answer here. Now we turn to that is number 3. The possibilities for a week-long delay for another meeting are given. Which of them do you agree with? Discuss with your partner, the old man ... Possibilities for a week-long delay for meeting are given. Which of them do you agree with? Discuss with your partner and the old man. Old man was deliberately delayed. Old man was slow. Old man was not in a station. Old man was ill. Which is the correct answer? The correct answer was slow. Now we turn to the question number 4. Don Anselmo repeated certain things whenever he met to the storyteller and took a leave of him. Write them down. One is done for you. Now again we concentrate on the questions. Don Anselmo repeated certain things. Yes? Already we have studied about that the two meeting between Don Anselmo and John A. Sedillo. When he entered into his office, some things are repeated. His behavior was repeated. His dress was also repeated. Same dress he put on. So here, some things are repeated again and again. In second meeting as well as the first meeting. And now here, one example is given here. Here you see, what is the example here? The old man shakes hand. Okay? When he entered to his office, he bowed to all of them. As well as when he returned, yes, the old man shakes, that is the hands. Now here we are going to find out this answer, another examples. We'll try to find out another examples. I will say, he wore the same faded cutaway. Then he carried a same stick, or that is the cane. He was accompanied by a boy, young dark boy. Yes, he was always with him, and the boy was always behind his chair, or he put on that is a Prince Albert coat also. So many things are repeated again and again in first meeting as well as the second meeting. Already you know that. You read such a paragraph, you will get its answer. No problem. And now here we turn to the question number 5. Don Anselmo says, question number 5. Don Anselmo says, Americans are good people. Yes, okay, no problem. Americans are good people. According to Don Anselmo, according to that is John A. Sedillo. Once Don Anselmo says that Americans are a good people, that is a Bunagent. Does his remark strike you as a sarcastic or the sincere? This remark means which remark? Americans are good people. Is it the right remark or the wrong remark? Sarcastic remark or the sincere? Now we are going to find out its answer, its meaning of a sarcastic. Sarcastic means that is a bitterly cutting like that. In Marathi we say that zomnar. Yes. This remark is a sarcastic or sincere? What is its answer? Its correct answer is that is a sincere. Means here he said that yes, definitely he was admitted that he was also or they were also that is a good people or Bunagent. John A. Sedillo also said that yes, they were the good people. Yes, it is a questions and answer. Now we turn to the paragraph number 10. Yes, paragraph number 10. You concentrate on this. This was a bad Don Anselmo. Yes. This was a bad Don Anselmo, I pleaded. When one signs a deed and sells a real property, one sells also everything that grows on the land. And those trees, every one of them are on the land and inside the boundaries of what you say. Yes, here, what was the reply? It was the reply of John A. Sedillo, which is mentioned in paragraph number 10. But before that, what was the opinion of Don Anselmo? He stood up. Suddenly he stood up and he told, Don Anselmo told to the John A. Sedillo, yes, he was admitted that his land was his land sold to the Americans. But he did not, he said that, but he did not sell that is the trees on that orchard. Why he said like that? According to him, the trees on the orchard was belong to the children of Rio and Medio. It was an opinion. But according to the procedure, already we know that everything on the land, such as the land was or such as the things were belong to the buyer or the buyer who said that. And now here, who were the buyer? That is the Americans were buyer. Means actually, who is the real owner now? That is the Americans were real, that is a buyer. And then the reply about that is a John A. Sedillo, middleman, the agent, is a lawyer. He said that this was a bad. This was a bad means, what was a bad? This was a bad means here his opinion was that he admitted that Don Anselmo admitted that he sold his land, but he did not sell his the trees on the orchard. Why? Because all things or trees were belong to the children of Rio and Meadow. So this was a bad. Don Anselmo, I pleaded. Pleaded means request. Pleaded means that is the request. Vinanti. Again he said that. Again John A. Sedillo said to the Don Anselmo, when one signs a deed or document and sell real property, one sells also everything that grows on the land, and those trees, every one of them are on the land and inside the boundaries what you said. Means in short we say that yes, everything on the land was belong to the buyer, and now here all things mean trees, other things, yes, the here belong to the Americans. After that, what was the reply of Don Anselmo, which is mentioned in paragraph number 11. Yes, I admit that. Don Anselmo said that, yes, I admit that. Okay, he was also admitted about that with his opinion. Yes, I admit that. He said, he added, I am the oldest man in the village. Almost everyone there is my relatives and all the children of Rio and Medio are all sobrinos and the neotos, my descendants. Every time a child has been born in a Rio and Medio, since I took a possession of the house from my mother, I have planted a trees for that child. The trees in that the orchard are not mine, sinner. They belong to the children of a village. Every person in the Rio and Medio, born since the railroad came to Santa Fe County, once owns a tree in that orchard. I did not sell the trees because I could not. They are not mine. Yes, he said that. Means here we'll get the opinion or the mind of our that is a Don Anselmo. Yes, I admit that. Okay, everything was belong to the buyer. Okay, no problem. Yes, again he said that. He said to that John Asedillo, you know that. What he know? Yes, he said that. Yes, he added, I'm the oldest man in the village. He said that, I'm oldest man in the village. Okay, he was a, old man. He was a respected person in his village. What was his village? Rio and Medio. He was a dominated person in his village. He was a man of principle. He was a generous. Means he was a gentleman of a Rio and Medio. Yes, he said that, Don Anselmo said to the John Asedillo, I am the oldest man in the village. Almost everyone, there is my relatives and all the children of Rio and Medio are my sobrinos and neotos, my descendant. Sobrinos and neotos means, already here, sobrinos and the neotos, both words are a Spanish word. Don is also Spanish word. Sobrinos and the neotos is also Spanish word. Then the word sinor is mentioned in it, that is a Spanish word. Bunagent, it is also the Spanish word. All Spanish words are mentioned in the lesson. And then now here, what is the meaning of sobrinos and neotos? Sobrinos, yes, both means that the words are, that is in Spanish words. Now what is the meaning of, that is the sobrinos and neotos? In English, nieces and the nephew. Yes, nieces and the nephew or that is the grandchildren. Yes, that is the grandchildren. Yes, the nephew or the nieces. Yes, now here he said that everyone there is my relatives. Okay, all the persons in that the Rio and Medio, all are the relatives, and here all children of Rio and Medio are my sobrinos and neotos. आपण त्याला पुतणे yes असं म्हणतो. That is the niece and the nephews and grandson, we say that. Natavand like that here. Yes, here all the children of Rio and Medio are the sobrinos and neotos, my descendant. Descendant means that is ancestor or forefathers. That is Purvaj. Yes. Yes, he said that all the children of Rio and Medio are my sobrinos, neotos, my descendants. Every time a child has been born on a Rio and Medio since I took possession of a house from my mother. Yes, I live. Yes, I have planted a tree for that child. Yes, the year he took a possession, Don Anselmo took a possession, a house from his mother. It's one point is that he had taken his house from his mother or possessed from his mother. I have planted tree for the child or children of Rio and Medio. He admitted that. To kabuli karto hai. Yes, that is admitted that. Yes, everything means all particularly he planted all trees. Yes, to that the children of Rio and Medio. The trees in that orchard are not mine. Yes, he said that. The trees in that orchard are not mine. Means the trees also were not belong to me or belong to him. He admitted that. Everything was belong to that children of Rio and Medio. Everything was belong to that his relatives. Everything was belong to that the people of Rio and Medio. And now here he was also said like that. Yes, the trees in that orchard are not mine. Sinor. Again the sinor. Sinor means that is a mister. Sinor, the word is in Spanish. What is the meaning of the sinor in English? That is a mister or yes, mister in that is a meaning of that the word sinor. Yes, trees in that orchard, yes, are not mine, sinor. They belong to the children of Rio and Medio. Yes, every person in the Rio and Medio, since the railroad came to the Santa Fe County, owns a tree in that the orchard. Means the year the construction of a railroad in Santa Fe County, it is the name of the place. Name of the place. Such as the construction of a railroad in that the area of Santa Fe County, Yes, at that time he planted such a the trees. It's long ago. Yes, long ago he planted such a the trees, not for him, but only for the children of Rio and Medio, only for that that is a relatives or that is the sobrinos and the neotos. Here, every person of Rio and Medio born since the railroad came to Santa Fe County own a trees in that orchard. Again he said that I did not sell the trees. I did not sell the trees. I sold the land, but he did not sell the trees. He said that. Yes, I did not sell the trees because I could not. It was not belong to me. Belong to that is our Don Anselmo. Yes, but they belong to that. They are not mine. Yes, they are not mine, or the trees are not mine. Trees are not. Yes, belong to that the Don Anselmo. But everything was belong to the children of Rio and Medio. Yes, means he was a good person. Yes, we will get it. He was generous. The truth is that generous, one who gives to the others, that is a generous here. There was nothing we could do. There was nothing we could do. Legally, we own the trees, but the old man had been so generous, refusing what amounted a fortune for him. Yes, it took most of the following winter to buy the trees individually from the descendant of Don Anselmo in the valley of Rio and Medio. Yes, now here, what was the reply of that is John A. Cedillo? The reply was like that yes, there was nothing we could do. Yes, it was impossible. Yes, it was impossible according to legal procedure, according to John A. Cedillo, because he was a lawyer by his profession. And now here there was nothing we could do. Legally, we own the trees. The word "we" is referred to whom? The word "we" is referred to that the Americans and that is John A. Cedillo. He said that. Legally, we own the trees. But the old man had been so generous. One side, yes, he said that how can we say that he was a generous? They will ask one questions on it. How can we say that Don Anselmo was generous? What was the opinion of Don Anselmo about the trees? Once he said that, yes, everything was belong. The trees were planted for that the children of Rio and Medio. Legally, we own the trees, but the old man had been so generous. Yes, generous. That is the word, generous. One who gives to others, others. That is we say that the generous. Yes, there was nothing we could do. Legally, we own the trees, but the old man had been so generous, refusing what amounted to a fortune for him. Yes, he also refused to take an extra amount for that extra land. Means here, it shows us he was a generous, he was a good person, he was a man of principle. Yes, we will get here. It took most of the following winter to buy the trees, and at last Americans got the trees. They purchased the trees, and why? Because now they were the owner of the land, owner of the orchard. It took the most of the following winter to buy the trees individually, from the descendant of the Don Anselmo in the valley of Rio and Medio. Valley means Dari, like that, mountains area, like the valley we say that. Yes, and it is and at last, yes, he was also admitted, Don Anselmo was also admitted to give the that is the trees on that the orchard to that the Americans. Why? According to the legal procedure, yes, they were a real owner of that is the land. Means Americans were real owner of the land. So this is a lesson. Already we have completed the entire lesson. Yes, this lesson is very simple. You read more and more, and you try to understand. If there is a problem, you ask me. Thank you.